Hello friends, this is Seher from Easy Peasy, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is called as Crookes Experiment, who discovered cathode rays. In 1870, William Crookes, that is a British chemist or physicist, discovered the negatively charged cathode rays using cathode rays tube. Now this is the cathode rays tube in which we have cathode and anode, and there is a gas inside in the low pressure created with the voltage. Now he created a very low pressure around 10 raised power minus 6 atmosphere inside this cathode rays tube and coated the surface of the tube behind the anode with the fluorescent material. And then he applied electricity through it. Now this time the gas is not glowing. It is specifically moving from cathodes towards the anode in the form of a beam. Now what he did is he placed a metal object, that is the Maltese cross, inside the tube. And what happened is a sharp shadow of the cross would appear on the glowing glass at the far end of the tube. That proves that the rays are traveling in a straight line from cathode towards the anode. Then he put a tiny light-weighted paddle wheel in the path of the rays. So when the beam is going to move from cathode to anode, it strikes that wheel and causes it to spin. By this experiment, William Crookes says that this seems to suggest that the rays were composed of particles that had mass and momentum. And then Crookes says that they are cathode rays. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.